Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Today I want to do a little video to say thank you so much to OldPath. This video is long overdue, brother. I'm so sorry. I've been running behind on my videos. Hopefully you can understand. But he went on my Amazon wish list again and again. Thank you so much. You do not have to do this. I do greatly appreciate it. But he went on my wish list and picked off an item and got it for me. And said item is the sandpaper eraser. This thing is so cool. He got not only one, but he got me two. And like I said, this video is overdue, and so I've been using the first one. Y'all see I use the mess out of it, and this thing cleans your sandpaper like it is just, it makes a piece of sandpaper almost brand new. Definitely extends the life of your sandpaper, so this will save me some money in the long run. So thank you so much, Alan. Y'all go check out Alan's channel and check out his wife Samantha's channel too. I'm gonna leave both of them's link in my description, but y'all go check that out. And again, thank you so much, Alan. Dude, I appreciate this so much. You just don't know. And yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Y'all have an awesome day. Stay awesome. Stay laid back. Remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody. Thank you.